Good afternoon, class. As in the last class, we have started with the exercises of chapter 12, that is verb. Now, today we are going to continue with that only. First one is underline the verb in the following sentences and mention its kinds in the space provided. For example, Sushmita sings, intransitive verb. Now, you have to tell, first of all, you have to mark the verbs over here and you have to tell which type of verb it is. First one, the inspector arrested the thief. Underline arrested and write transitive. Second one, the bell sounded. Underline sounded and write intransitive. Third one, he eats fruit. Underline eats and write transitive. Fourth one, the ship sank. Underline sank and write intransitive. Fifth one, Akshay likes blue denims. Underline likes and write transitive. Sixth one, Arun laughed. Underline laughed and write intransitive. Seventh one, Ishita played well. Underline played and write transitive. Eighth one, I play basketball. Underline play and write transitive. Ninth one, Seema writes poetry. Underline writes and write transitive. Tenth one, Ansh reads a book. Underline reads and write transitive. And now let us move to E exercise. E exercises, underline the verbs in the following sentences and mention whether they are transitive, intransitive or incomplete. Follow the example. First one, example, the cuisine tastes delicious. It's the intransitive verb. Second one, the bus started. Underline started and write intransitive. Second one, they played well. Underline played and write transitive. Third one, the baker baked a cake. Underline baked and write transitive. Fourth one, roses smell sweet. Underline smell and write transitive. Fifth one, the children fly kites. Underline fly and write transitive. Sixth one, the horses run. Underline run and write intransitive. Seventh one, several flowers bloom in the spring season. Underline bloom and write transitive. Eighth one, Preeti looks healthy. Underline looks and write transitive. Ninth one, Mr. Sharma appears. Underline appears and write incomplete. 10th one, the driver behaved. Underline behaved and write incomplete. Now here we complete with the E exercise. Now let us move to F1. F1 is make verbs from the following nouns. Singer, singing. Writer, writing. Teacher, teaching. Bowler, bowling. Reader, reading. Editor, editing. Player, playing. Painter, painting. Preacher, preaching. Inspector, inspecting. Director, directing. Dancer, dancing. Now, let us move to the last exercise of this chapter, that is underline the verbs in the given passage. In this we have been given a passage. You have to just take a pencil in your hand and underline the verbs in the book only. First one day Akbar asked his courtiers. Underline asked. What is the fastest thing in the world? Underline is. One of the courtiers said. Underline said. Bullock cart. Another said. Wind. Yet another said. Underline said, said and said. Light Akbar waited for Birbal's answer and then Birbal spoke. Underline waited and underline spoke over here. Your Majesty. The thoughts in the mind travel the fastest. Underline thoughts and underline travel also. In a moment you are in this court and underline are. In the next morning your thoughts will take. Underline will take you somewhere else. So a thought is the fastest thing in the world. Everyone was surprised at Birbal's answer. Underline was. Underline surprised. Akbar was proud of Birbal's wisdom. Underline was. And rewarded him suitably. Underline rewarded. Now here we complete with the syllabus of post-periodic examination. Now what you all have to do, you have to write these 4 exercises in your notebooks. So write the heading using black pen and write all the answers using heading using black pen, questions using blue pen, and write the answers using black pen. Right? And in homework you have to learn the exercises. Thank you.